Hey, did you know that 99% of all artists, writers, musicians, and performers aren't rich and famous? And we're unlikely to become so? Remarkably, most of us carry on, becoming even more creative and resourceful out of sheer necessity. Hello, I am Ayun Halliday. You may know me as the Chief Primatologist at East Village Inky, or maybe you know me as a longtime ensemble member of the Neo-Futurists, or more recently as Theater of the Apes' Queen of the Apes. Or maybe you've read one of the 8 books I've written. No? Okay, that's okay. I don't care. What's likely is that you've never heard of me at all. And in that respect, I'm in good company and proud to be one of the legions of small potatoes for whom creative, not famous, the Small Potato Manifesto was created. Does it mean that you're underpaid and relatively unknown? Or that you self-publish and self-produce? Or maybe you're a big banana in a relatively small or obscure field, and creative, not famous, the Small Potato Manifesto explores all of that in detail, from the enormous creative freedom to the hell of constant self-promotion, documenting your work for posterity, staying the course, and bucking yourself up when your mojo starts to tank. How to respond if some well-meaning individual asks if you've done anything they might be familiar with. In search of a broader perspective, I interviewed 37 artists, writers, musicians, zinesters, filmmakers, theater makers, puppeteers, comics creators, and one burlesque clown as to how they survive and thrive. So thank you for wanting to come along and join us and uphold the Small Potato Manifesto. Gooba Gaba, we accept you. One of us!